Hello, my name is Rodolfo Jared Lopez Ledesma, and I'm going to present my final project. This is analysis of cultural diversity, the danger of a single story, an analysis of a cultural diversity. Good night. Today we will explore the core concept of our concept based on Chinaman Sachin, warning the danger of reducing culture to a single narrative. We will have these effects both external cultures and our own. The Mexican. Seeking the fullness of histories. The stereotype versus the complexity. A stereotype is not false, it is complete, say adage. It robs dignity and prevents empathy, and the cultural diversity requires multiple perspectives. In this, the problem is not that a stereotype lies, but that it only tells half the history. As we have seen, the diversity of histories is the only way to connect, understand, and promote human dignity. This lack of complete stories is the main enemy of a cultural awareness. Now, this is the external culture. Bhutan, the single story of the happiest country. First, we have the perception. An insolate Shangri-La, pure happiness, economy based on luxury tourism. Origin, government marketing, and the search for a Western utopian narrative. Our assumption reducing a political economic model to a simple emotional state. Now, Bhutan, how I say moment later, Bhutan was our external culture. The single story is powerful. A country of happy monks guided by GNH and disconnected from the world. This narrative ignores the political and economic realities. It's an ideal, not a complete social reality. It's an idea that we have, but not ever is the reality that. Bhutan, the complete story. We have three concepts: the real economy, the daily life, and the challenge. For the real economy, the main source of income is the export of hydroelectric power, not the tourism. In the daily life, tension between tradition and modernity, high usage of mobile phones and internet. And the challenge, there is your unemployment, stress, and urbanization issues, showing that ENH is a goal, not a total achievement. With this, we have the complete story, reveals a country at the crossroads. The main economic driver is a hydroelectric city, sold to India. There are young people dealing with unemployment and a modern connected life. The reality of Bhutan is an active effort toward balance, not a static perfection. With our culture, here is Mexico, and this diapositive says Mexico. What does the single story tell? We have the common stereotypes and the effect. Common stereotypes: the lazies, las siestas, tequila, border, violence, constant partying. Hmm. And the effect: reduce a complex nation to topics of entertainment or conflict. A people think that this country is very conflict, very violent. But in something states, it's not like that. I have a prayer culture. In this, applying the same lens to our culture, Mexico, we find that the single story reduced used to cliches. We are lent to the land of constant party, spicy food, or in worst case, violence. This ignores the vast layers of the national identity. Mexico, the stories we wish to tell. Now, in the stories mm, we have happy to talk to the other people is the innovation, the diversity, and the high culture. In the innovation, the development of automotive and aerospace engineering, the diversity, the richness of 68 indigenous peoples and their language, offering profound social values, and the high culture, the global recognition of contemporary art, architecture, and cinema. Now, the missing stories are those that provide fullness. We want to the world to see the scientific innovation that breaks the stereotype of laziness. We want them to understand the depth of indigenous value systems and the caliber of the art architecture being produced. It is in these other stories that Mexico's true cultural diversity resides. This is the reality and the things that we mm, need to talk to the other people. Now, turn with the Bhutan. Oh, this is the positive. I repeat. Sorry. The full story. Now, in the full story, cultural diversity is not just coexistent, it is the recognition of multidimensionality. The danger lies in the fact that the single story homogeneizes, as in the case of the Bhutan, and limits potential, as happens here in Mexico. The solution is to actively seek complexity, promote empathy, and challenge prejudice. Our findings demonstrate that the cultural diversity is, above all, the acceptance of fullness. To improve our cultural awareness, we must make the effort to look beyond the idealized stereotype of Bhutan and the simplified cliché of Mexico. By actively seeing complexity, we honor the dignity of every culture and fulfill the goal of a deeper, more respectful global understanding. And that's it, the presentation. Thanks, teacher, for watching. And that's it. Take a good day.